Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be telling you guys how I passed my exam P in 4 weeks or so. I signed up in the last possible date before the registration expires. I was like, why not? Let's give it a shot. It will open my pathway when it comes to recruiting season if I want to apply for some actuarial jobs. So, exam P. So the first step is registering for the exam. Of course, you have to go to soa.org and then you have to register it. I think it closes like 4 to 5 weeks before the date. There will be 2 weeks of testing periods. You can select the day and the time which is the most convenient, but you have to register before one specific date. The exam P is held 6 times every single year, and it's held during the odd months. So what is my previous experience? I've done single multivariable calculus, basic statistics, probability, econometric. So most of the material, let's say like 40% of them, is basically just recap. And the other 60% I kind of know, but maybe it's just the other, let's say 30% I kind of know. It's just different syntax, different terminology, and the last 30% is new material that I had to learn. So I had already an upper hand going into the exam piece. Since I'm a junior, I'm doing it a bit late. I was like, why not? So the learning material, what did I use? Some people use textbooks. I really like coaching actuaries. It's really, really, really good, cleverly laid out. There is, I think, this is the 180-day access plan. I think I only bought the 45-day one, and if you click yes, you're a student, it's going to be a lot cheaper. And I bought the adapt and learn. I forgot how much my one was. And it's basically guaranteed a pass if you just follow it one by one. So what did I do in coaching actuaries? I followed each one by one, reviewed the videos. I did it relatively quickly. I sort of skimmed through the videos, and I just, if I already know the material and stuff, I would just like skim past it, since there's no point of doing that. And right after every single chapter, I would go and adapt, and I would do the quiz, the specific quiz based on the topic that I just learned. So you put the theory into practice by, essentially. So you do that for all 1, 2, 3, 4, all of the different ones, and then straight after that, you hammer it with the full practice exams over and over and over and over and over again. I think I did I don't know how many I did, 5 or 6. And you should get a adapt level of, this is pretty low, 4 to 6, I think, is equivalent. You don't need a 7, that's just unnecessary to pass, because there's no difference between a 6 and a 10. It's a pass. I ended up getting, I think, 7 or an 8, I forgot, but that's a pass, and I only reached 4.94. I hammered it all in the last week. I just did that non-stop over and over and over again. So yeah, this is very cleverly laid out. If you want to stick to a schedule, you should download this so you can keep on track every step of the way, but allocate a minimum of, let's say, 7 to 14 days on hammering out practice problems fully. I kind of did only in 1 week, but I still got the pass, so yay. And that's what I did. And after I did like 10 or so full-length practice exams, I did all 300 of the SOA exam P questions. I'm pretty sure you can find them on Google if you just type SOA exam P practice, and then it will be this one. Just do all of them. That's what I did in the last week. And then the final exam for me, it's like an exam, the adapt level, let's say 3 to 5, varying in difficulties. It's different style because you're forced to sit there for 3 hours. You're given earbuds, you're given a paper and a pen, scratch paper, and then they clear both of your calculators if you bring it to the exam. So yeah, that's basically it. I really recommend. This is not a product placement or whatever, or I'm not advertising this product. I passed in 4 weeks using this. 2 weeks of learning the material, that's pretty fast, because I had previous experiences, and let's say 10 days doing just hammering out what I don't know about using Adapt with the different quizzes that I'm not really good at, and then doing the full length exams over and over again. Practice is the best way. So yeah, that's how I passed my exam P. If you guys want, here, I passed it right here. There, that's a pass. Perfect. Thanks for watching, guys.